Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW A70 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this BLACKVIEW. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose Face Unlock and enter your current login method. After that, choose More at the bottom right corner and then Agree at the bottom right corner as well. After that, click on Start and remember to keep your face in frame. Then you need to select Done, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!